Hi guys, today we're going to be opening the April Fright Crate box. The goal today is to get 150 views. So this is the palette to just say what everything is.
Paper. Open it. See what it is. So we have a shirt.
Freddy versus Jason.
We have a shirt, guys. So this is from Freddy versus Jason. Last month, I guess people weren't getting a shirt, but this shirt is awesome. Okay. And then my shirt is from another box before The Shining, and so is his shirt. So this is from The Shining.
Mine's from It Chapter 2.
And he got It Chapter 2 shirt from other boxes. So what's next?
We got a Dead Alive.
That's from the poster, 3D poster from Dead Alive.
And this is the mystery DVD. It's walled in.
Also, looks like we got a DVD. That looks like a scary one, too.
It says it's based on the best-selling book and graphic novel.
Oh, nice. So this was another movie for us to see tonight. New one.
What movie is this from?
Oh, that's the pin. The pin's from Queen of the Dam.
I got all pins on my hat.
Yeah. Okay, we got this one.
And then we got this,
Oh, we got a figurine. That has to be Dracula.
Yeah, from Dracula.
Oh, okay, we got from, was it the Bat Creature bus from Dracula. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
And that is it, guys. Hope you like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!